Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is a really short notice video that I'm filming. So I went to the gym, but the most fucked up part was I forgot the tripod at home. And then when I went to the gym, I thought, I could go ahead and film this video with this mini tripod. But again, I could not get the angles and I could not turn off the music. Some fucked up, you have a day in the life when you have like everything is getting fucked. So that's the reason I cannot go ahead and shoot those videos. So I'm going ahead and shooting this video. In this video I'm going to be taking you guys over 10-minute fat burning workout at home, and I have a stopwatch right here, my roommate's courtesy. I'm using his tab to get the timer. I'm going to be having this stopwatch. You guys can also go ahead and put a timer on your devices if you have any. I mean, of course you guys won't be filming, so if yes, that's also another perk of getting into this kind of work. So I'm going to be going ahead and taking you guys over some workouts. 10-minute basically it's going to be a 10-minute workout, which will be 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off. So 40 seconds will be working out and then 20 seconds will be taking a rest. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the first workout, which would be jumping jacks. Then we will be moving on to high knees and then to push-ups. And I'm going to be putting the timer right in front of me so that I have it easy on me, right? Let's get into it. I'll be making sure to put on a timer on the screen, so make sure to follow along. So without further ado, let's get straight in. First one would be jumping jacks. Okay guys, we're 20 minutes in. 20 seconds, sorry, fuck. What the fuck have I been doing? I haven't done this kind of workout in a long time, man. Okay, it's 30 seconds. And stop. We have 20 seconds rest. This workout can take a lot of energy out of you. Basically like playing tennis, if you have seen Friends with Benefits. Okay, move on to the next workout, which would be high knees. Again, 20 seconds. "15 seconds in, guys. Shit. "30 seconds in. And 40 seconds. Next is push-ups. So we're going to be doing push-ups for at least 40 seconds. As many as you can get. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. "10 seconds in. I have no idea how many reps have I gone till now. Oh shit. It's 25 seconds. Five seconds more. And up. Oh! Holy shit. Oh. 10 seconds left. Then we're going to be moving on to mountain climbers. In 3, 2, 1, start. "20 seconds in. And done. Whew. Holy shit. That took my breath away. Oh fuck. My hands. Okay, 3 seconds. 2, 1. Moving on to jumping squats. Fuck. Holy shit. Fuck. Still have 10 seconds. Oh my fuck. Fuck. Shit. Oh shit. 10 seconds left. We're gonna be moving on to shoulder taps in push-up position or plank position, whatever necessary. Oh shit. Ten seconds more. Oh, shit. And with that, guys, we are done with 6 to 7 minutes burning fat workout at home. And hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop a fire emoji in the comment section down below, and make sure to repeat this entire circuit for at least 2 or 3 times. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, comment down below the fire emoji or whatever, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Peace out.